My name is Richard Uslan. I'm an attorney in Somerville, New Jersey. You're watching this video because you or someone you know has been arrested for a drug-related crime or offense. There's various ways to defend this, so don't give up hope. Any experienced criminal attorney will be able to explain this to you. And it's really broken down into two categories. One of them I'm going to discuss with you right now. That has to do with whether or not there's a challenge either to the legality of you being stopped, which led to the discovery of drugs, whether they're on your person or in your car. And secondly, assuming that that was legal, to challenge whether or not there was actually reason to believe that you had drugs in your possession and that the search of the drugs in the vehicle after the stop of a vehicle or after the stop of you walking down the street was valid. Oftentimes, there is a way to be able to determine whether or not there was a reasonable basis to challenge either of these things. And oftentimes the police have been using consent forms under the guise of voluntariness on your part to obtain drugs either from your person or from the car. This is to try to circumvent a case called State versus Peña-Flores that requires not just a reasonable belief that there might be drugs in your possession, but that there are exigent circumstances that justify the immediate search of you without obtaining a search warrant. So, another way of challenging the drugs would also be to ascertain whether there was a chain of custody at time of trial. The prosecution is going to have to prove that what was recovered from you is the same thing that the police put in evidence, is the same thing that was tested by the state police laboratory to demonstrate that these were illegal drugs. And then they have to demonstrate that the same substances that were tested by the laboratory are the same things that they now produce at trial to try to utilize to convict you. If there's any break in that chain, the state isn't going to be able to introduce those drugs, and you're going to be found not guilty. So, there's a lot more I can explain to you when I meet with you in my office, or we could discuss this in any other way. Visit my website for more information and call me so we can discuss how I can help you.